The FiveM Nui.core.dll error is stopping your game cold, but we're about to fix that right now. If you're seeing that persistent Nui.core.dll error, it usually means a critical game file is corrupted or missing, and the quickest way to resolve it is by verifying your game files. Open up your FiveM client, go straight to the settings menu, find the game files tab, and hit that verify integrity button. Let it run its course, then restart FiveM to see if that clears it up. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue often stems from temporary files cluttering up the system, which brings us to method 2, clearing the cache. You need to locate the FiveM cache folder, delete everything inside it, close FiveM, restart it, and then reboot your PC to ensure a clean slate. Should the error persist, the problem might be with your essential C++ libraries, so we move to method 3. Search for and uninstall all existing Visual C++ redistributables, then download and install the latest x86 and x64 versions from Microsoft, followed by a PC restart and a quick FiveM launch to test. Finally, if none of that works, we're looking at outdated drivers, so for method 4, open your NVIDIA GeForce experience. Go to drivers, check for updates, install the latest one, restart your computer, and launch Five one last time to confirm the Nui.core.dll error is gone for good.